Hello guys, so today we are going to demold some epoxy resin keychains. As you can see there, I'm showing the keychain and some pendant. We are going to demold them slowly by slowly. Start by demolding the letter D. As you can see there, it looks very beautiful, very good. Then the P, the letter P there, as you can see. Then we go to letter V. Wow, looking very good, very fantastic. Go to number 3. Move it slowly to avoid there you can see that letter number 3. We go to letter K. That's letter K. It requires some sanding over there. As you can see on the edges, it requires some sanding. Just do some sanding there to ensure the press is smooth, very smooth. Then finally we go to letter J over there. It also requires some sanding to remove those excess parts on the keychain. On there, yeah. As you can see there, you have to remove those excess parts. Go to this pendant. We remove a pendant there. Over there, as you can see, it's black, very unique color. You can match it with a lot of clothes. As you can see there, there's a pendant. Another one there. Very beautiful, very good looking. Very good looking piece. Then we have like a teddy bear, small teddy bear over there. That one you can put it on the keychain to make them look so fabulous and good. That is the teddy bear. The teddy bear itself. Yeah. Very beautiful teddy bear. Then we are going to put a keyling on the letter D. So we are going to put a keyling on the letter D. So there I'm taking the keyling itself. That's the keyling. That's the keylings. Then I pick a hand drill. I have to drill a hole on the keychain slowly. Now I'm drilling the hole slowly. You drill a hole slowly using a hand drill. Slowly. After that, you put your keyling there. That's the keyling. Yeah. Now you put it slowly. Turn. Slowly to avoid breaking it. You can break it. So slowly. Yeah. And there we go. Yeah. There you go. You have a keychain. A very smart keychain. Thank you guys for listening. And that's all for today. Those are the keychains you have. Look, and the way they're fabulous, the way they look good. Thank you guys. That's what we have for today. Till we meet again. Cheers.